channel. My name is Gigi Cookie, and today's video is about setting up my first BTS channel, and I'm so excited. I chose this paper ideas notebook because it has 188 pages, dark papers with the number of each page at the bottom. I also printed some photos of BTS and some cute decorative papers that I found from Pinterest and Pixar. For the first spread, I want to make it look like an Instagram page which has 9 pictures with pastel colors. Now I will start sticking it by 2-sided tapes. And then I will write some details so it will appear exactly like an Instagram page. And yeah, we are done. Moving on to the next spread, I want to play around with washi tapes, decorative papers, and stickers. This page will have the photo of BTS in the middle, surrounded by BTS palm and each member's picture. I also use confetti stickers to make it look prettier. And this is alphabet stickers. The next page main idea is the top 6 of my BTS favorite songs. I decided to make it look like a phone. I printed all the album features for all the songs that I love really small so that it will fit within the phone. I'm so in love with Permission to Dance, Butter, Home, Make It Right, Lights, and Life Goes On. After that, I will use the alphabet sticker to create a title with some cute little bears around. Here is the final look. I love it. For this spread, I chose 8 pictures from Dynamite songs because they have pastel colors and everyone looks so cute. I would write each member's name, date of birth, and their nickname. I'm so sorry for my bad handwriting in Korean. I will use the stickers of BT21 to decorate. Then I draw some cute little hearts. Moving on to the next page, I will list all the reasons why I love BTS. Of course, the main color will be purple. To be honest, BTS songs have helped me go through many hard days. Every time I listen to them, I feel safe and peaceful. Watching their performance makes me adore and admire them so much. From this page, I will stick each member's picture for each page. The first one is Jin because his signature color is pink and it goes so well with the purple in the previous page. To me, Jin is so good looking. That's why his nickname is Worldwide Handsome. I used some stickers that I bought in Japan to make the page look cuter. Yes, this page is for 𝗀𝗏. My first impression about 𝗀𝗏 is his voice. It's so beautiful. His smile is so bright and cute, and I think yellow fits him well. The next press is for 𝗀𝗁𝗆. My sister loves him very much. He is kind, talented, and tender. I'm really into all of his concepts because they are colorful and creative. Moving on is the page from my V. When I watched the Itaewon Class K-drama, it had a soundtrack named Sweet Night. I can't help but falling in love with his voice. V is so handsome. I don't know why, but he just looked perfect at all concepts. Yeah, do you see this color? Purple. Yes, it's Jungkook. He is my bias. I love his smile, his voice, and his cute face. That's why my channel named Cookie. The following page is for 𝗁𝗚. He is so talented. I love every single track of 𝗁𝗚, especially Blueberry Eyes. His smile is so cute too. Last but not least, my beloved leader, Namjoon. I just don't know how he can be so sweet, intelligent, adorable like that. Yes, the spread is complete. Let's look at the results. So happy with this spread. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my thoughts. I hope you guys have an awesome day. See ya!